Welcome to the sustainable palm oil revolution in Ireland. Let's explore its impact and possibilities. Palm oil, known for its affordability, saturates the Irish market across various products, yet it faces justified scrutiny due to its environmental and social ramifications. The introduction of sustainable palm oil emerges as a pivotal choice for Ireland, presenting an opportunity to revolutionize practices in this sphere. This sustainable alternative underscores environmentally conscious methodologies while uplifting local communities, a paradigm shift in the industry. Sustainable palm oil not only addresses concerns but also introduces a plethora of benefits. It stands as a bastion for preserving biodiversity by averting deforestation and preserving vital habitats, especially critical in Ireland's ecosystem. Moreover, its emphasis on reforestation efforts contributes significantly to Ireland's commitment to reducing carbon emissions, aligning perfectly with global climate initiatives. Beyond ecological significance, the social impact of sustainable palm oil cannot be overstated. It operates on principles that prioritize local communities, ensuring their empowerment and upholding ethical labor standards. This resonates deeply with Ireland's focus on social justice and aligns with its values of fair treatment for all individuals involved in the supply chain. Economically, the transition to sustainable palm oil opens new avenues. Companies embracing this shift benefit from a burgeoning market of conscientious consumers. Moreover, this strategic pivot safeguards these businesses from potential risks, including reputational damage and supply chain vulnerabilities, ensuring long-term viability and resilience. However, the adoption of sustainable palm oil isn't without hurdles. Establishing robust monitoring systems to verify sustainability claims poses a challenge, demanding significant investment and expertise. Equally vital is raising consumer awareness to drive demand for sustainably sourced palm oil products, a crucial step in steering the market towards more ethical practices. Embracing sustainable palm oil in Ireland transcends local impact. It's about collective action and collaboration. It necessitates a concerted effort among governmental bodies, non-governmental organizations, and industry players to foster an industry that operates sustainably and responsibly. This collaborative approach isn't just a local initiative. It's a crucial contribution to global environmental protection and social responsibility endeavors, aligning with Ireland's commitment to being a responsible global citizen. Thanks for joining. Embrace sustainable choices for a better future. Subscribe for more insights on ethical practices and environmental stewardship.